Tonight, we're making crispy, cheesy chicken meatballs wrapped in bacon, served with creamy spinach mashed potatoes. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. First, grab 1 pound, about 500 grams of ground chicken. Season it with salt, black pepper, and half a tablespoon of smoked paprika for that perfect flavor. Mix everything together in a bowl until the seasoning is evenly distributed. This will make sure every bite is packed with flavor. Next, take about 5 ounces, 150 grams of bacon and slice it into 8 strips, each about 1.5 inches, 4 centimeters wide. This is what's going to give our meatballs that irresistible crispy texture. Now for the surprise inside. Grab your favorite cheese and cut it into 8 cubes, about 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch, 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. This little trick makes the meatballs extra gooey and delicious when you take that first bite. Cheese adds a rich, savory flavor that pairs perfectly with the tender meatballs and juicy chicken. It also melts beautifully, creating a deliciously gooey texture that binds all the ingredients together. Before we shape the meatballs, let's get our side dish started. Peel and dice your potatoes into evenly sized chunks, then drop them into a pot with water and a pinch of salt. This will give us the perfect base for our creamy spinach mash. Now, let's build the meatballs. Lay 2 bacon strips in a cross shape. Scoop a tablespoon of seasoned ground chicken and flatten it like a pancake. Place a cheese cube in the center, then wrap the meat around it to form a ball. Fold the bacon strips over to secure everything in place. What's your go-to air fryer recipe when you need something quick and easy? Drop it in the comments and we'll brainstorm and create some interesting and delicious recipes next time. Set each one on a plate as you go. Repeat this step until you've made 8 beautiful, cheesy, bacon-wrapped meatballs. Trust me, this is going to be incredible. Did you know that meatballs have been enjoyed for centuries across different cultures? From Italian spaghetti meatballs to Swedish köttbullar, almost every country has its own version. But wrapping them in bacon and stuffing them with cheese, now that's next level deliciousness. Now that all the meatballs are ready, it's time for the fun part, cooking them to crispy golden perfection. Carefully place the meatballs into your air fryer basket, making sure they have a little space to crisp up evenly. Set your air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and cook for 15 minutes. While that's cooking, let's prep our creamy spinach and we will come back in 10 minutes. In a pan, melt 2 tablespoons, 30 grams of butter, and add in about 3.5 ounces, 100 grams of fresh spinach. Stir it around until it wilts down nicely. Next, pour in half a cup, 100 grams of 18% cream and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Give it a final stir and take it off the heat. Time to check on our meatballs. After 10 minutes, open the air fryer and gently flip them over. This ensures they cook evenly and get that perfect crisp on all sides. If you like them extra crispy, feel free to add a couple more minutes. While the meatballs finish cooking, let's make our spinach-infused mashed potatoes. Blend the cooked spinach mixture until smooth, then pour it into your drained potatoes. Add a little extra butter for richness, then mash everything together until smooth and creamy. This is a game changer for mashed potatoes, healthy and packed with flavor. And just in time, our crispy, juicy, cheese-filled meatballs are ready. Let's plate everything up and get ready to enjoy. Just look at this. Golden brown meatballs, creamy spinach, mashed potatoes. It's the perfect meal for family dinners or impressing your guests. And now for the best part, cutting into the meatball. Just look at that gooey melted cheese inside. Trust me, once you try this, you'll want to make it again and again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Enjoy!